Every business journey begins with a single belief that we can make something better. For me, that belief has guided ASKT from day one. Over the years, our team has worked closely with partners across Europe, in Germany, the Netherlands, Switzerland, and beyond, helping them deliver furniture that meets the highest standards of design, quality, and function. Today, I'm proud to introduce a new chapter in the story. KINEXA, our latest innovation built to make the chair customization faster, simple, and more efficient than ever before. KINEXA stands for speed, flexibility, and intelligent connection. It's a modular seating system developed by ASKT that allows you to create multiple dining chair styles through the uniform structure. The name combines two ideas: kinetic, meaning movement, and nexus, meaning connection. KINEXA lets buyers mix and match seat models, fabrics, and base designs with remarkable case. We offer 2 seat models, 6 different fabrics, and 5 base options, creating 30 unique chair combinations. Let me give you a brief demonstration of what makes KINEXA truly distinctive. Here you can see how one seating style can be paired with a variety of lower bases, whether in wood, metal, or art finishes, to create different looks and functions. Likewise, each base can be matched with various soft pack designs, materials, and colors, from minimalist upholstery to richly textile fabric styles. This system gives our partners the ability to adapt collections quickly, diversely offering every ASKT innovation begins with reliability. Our production facility are equipped with advanced machinery, from automatic cutting and punching to robotic welding, ensuring precision and consistency at every stage. Behind every KINEXA chair is the same craftsmanship and the symbol that define all ASKT products, engineered with quality, beautiful comfort, and trusted by partners worldwide. KINEXA isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a business solution designed for today's competitive market. For wholesalers, retailers, and e-commerce platforms, it offers several clear advantages: faster MOQ completion, mixed styles and bases within the same system to meet minimum order quantities more quickly, reduced inventory risk, a broader product range attracts more customers and helps increase turnover, simplified upselling, customers can choose their preferred fabrics or color, they easily upgrade to different base styles, optimize logistics on unified system components, simplified package and order planning, saving this across production and delivery. In short, KINEXA helps our partners operate with greater flexibility and speed, while keeping cost and complexity family under control. KINEXA represents more than a new product. It makes a new way of thinking about furniture design and production. It embodies the values that define ASKT: efficiency, flexibility, and trust. By every step from the concept to manufacturing, from partners to customers, KINEXA turns complexity into simplicity. The system is built for those who seek speed without compromise and quality without limitation. It's a tool for growth, for innovation, and for collaboration. As we introduce KINEXA is the world, I invite you to experience the future of modular seating, a system created to help you more faster, plan smarter, and your customers better. Thank you for watching. This is KINEXA, the quick connect chair based system.